What's the meaning of crown jewels? Crown jewels. Crown jewels.
Crown jewels. Crown jewels. The term crown jewels typically refers to highly valuable and important assets of a company, organization, or even a country. These assets are often critical to the success, competitiveness, and sometimes even the survival of the entity. Examples of crown jewels can include intellectual property, trade secrets, key technologies, confidential information, strategic partnerships, etc. Protecting these assets is crucial, as their loss, theft, or compromise could lead to significant financial, reputational, or even national security damage. Therefore, companies and organizations often invest heavily in securing their crown jewels through various measures such as cybersecurity, physical security, employee training, and more.